Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy tuna patties. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, about 6 ounces each, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and 1 large egg. Make sure to drain the tuna thoroughly to avoid watery patties. Finally, chop a 1/4 cup of onion and 2 tablespoons of celery for added flavor and texture. These simple steps set the foundation for delicious results. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your drained tuna, breadcrumbs, egg, and chopped vegetables. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix everything gently with a fork until just combined. Overmixing can make the patties tough. Once mixed, divide the mixture and form it into 4 to 6 patties, about 3/4 of an inch thick. It's time to cook these delicious patties. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place the patties in the pan, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and heated through. This creates a crispy exterior and a tender interior. Your easy tuna patties are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a bright finish. They are fantastic on their own, nestled in a bun like a burger, or even crumbled over a fresh green salad. For other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.